I am a beginner in the kitchen, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to make chocolate chip cookies using the KitchenAid. So first off, we will take the butter and the sugar and pop them in the bowl. Lower the KitchenAid and turn it on. And let it work its magic. Now it's time to add the egg and the vanilla extract. So just crack the egg directly into the bowl as well and pour in the vanilla extract. And off it goes again. So the bicarb and the salt goes in with the flour, and then we add. Now it's time to turn it down and add everyone's favorite ingredient, the chocolate chips. So I've gone for a mix of milk and dark. Let's mix them in. So now it's all mixed, it's time to lay out our dough and cut our cookies. Okay, done. Pop in the oven and bake for 10 minutes. So whether you leave them as they are or cut them out with a cookie cutter, there you go, some super simple chocolate chip cookies using the KitchenAid. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what else you've used your KitchenAid for down in the comments. We'll see you soon. Looking for appliances you can trust to help you create more than just meals? With KitchenAid, you get more than just great tools. You get a brand that's been supporting home cooks and food lovers for over a century. So whether you're mixing dough, blending smoothies, or experimenting with new recipes, KitchenAid products are built for versatility and for lasting performance. Everything from the iconic stand mixer to blenders and food processors is designed to help you express your creativity and get consistent results every single time. And with new colours like Flutter for 2025, you can add a personal touch to your space while enjoying innovation you can count on. Click the link in the description. KitchenAid. Classic style, endless possibilities.